Hi, welcome back. So let's make the solar system using the oval tool only. So let's take another one file, and again I'm going to fill the black color inside my canvas, and then let's take the white color again and take the oval tool and make the orbits like this, right? So it's very much easier. But if you want to practice curve tool, please take the curve tool and make the solar system by using that. It's a good exercise as well. So this is for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 more. You can shrink it. And more is going to be there. Right? And I just make the sun. Take yellow color with the oval tool. I have made the sun, and let's fill the color inside the sun. Now after that we have to make the planets. So let's make the planet now. This is going to be Mercury. And then we'll make other planets. So it's going to be easy. You can use both the methods. Using oval tool also you can make the solar system, using curve tool as well you can make the solar system. So either way you can use it. Let me finish it and I'll show you at the end. So this way you can make the solar system by using the curve tool and oval tool. I hope you liked it. If you like it, just give a thumbs up, click on the bell icon and do subscribe my channel. Share it with your friends and always explore.